We're a family of 4 who just love adventuring in the outdoors. We work hard during the week, and when the weekends come around, we get out and enjoy all there is in nature's playground.
So everyone, we're on our way to UPI, the new mountain bike park. It's opened, I think it officially opened last week, but I think it's been open for 5 or 6 weeks. So we're pretty excited about that. Give it a go. Have a bit of fun. Probably be very busy, but yeah, we're just taking the kids and we'll just cruise around and have a good look. But I think it's a place you want to come midweek when it's pretty quiet and you can have a good bash. Just stopped at Tally for some brekkie, which is always fun. Expensive, but fun. See all the beautiful people on the Gold Coast. And keep going. Yep, this is it, Ethan.
Gee whiz.
Will the Mercedes be able to get out if we go in here?
Big deer on the left there.
That's right. Full drive, big stinky full drive in the shade.
Can I just walk down for a bit?
What have you got? You don't need chippies. What's this? What have you got?
What do you got? Have you got a muffin? I don't want one, thank you. I need my gloves too, but I'll put them.
On the front of your car.
Hang on, Lulu.
I thought you got. Did the table grab that?
Yep, to put your sun cream on. Ready to go, princess? Are you ready?
Leon? Light on. I need a toe. Yeah, I think you need
Feet
a
in.
toe, Mum. I think you need a toe when we go up the big hill.
Okay, we
You
ready?
reckon?
Oh.
Go, Ethy. Oh. There we go. There we go. Good job, buddy.
Mum. 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 What now?
Always going off piste. What's pump track like?
Good, stick.
There you go.
How's that, easy?
He's mastered it. First time using the little slingshot.
You follow me. Yeah, take your toe back on.
Why?
Because we're going to go downhill. We're going straight down here.
And do we get to go far?
Easy. Come over here, Ethy.
Come on, buddy. Just a few flies. Come on. That's it. Just remember to use a little bit of front brakes and a little bit of back brakes if you need to. It's okay. Whoop. That's it. Good job, buddy. That's it. Well done, sweetie. Remember, you can use a little bit of back brakes too, darling. Just a little bit. Use your brakes. That's it.
Mum, is there anybody on this track?
No, there's no one else on this track, darling.
Why?
Just us. You don't need to tow down the hill, do ya? Good job, sweetie. Well done. That's it. So I didn't even see what this was called, but it's just the first easy green one. As soon as you get up that 800 metre climb,
just straight there, so it's a good test of the little fella's first go. He's doing really well. It's his first time actually on some trails by himself. He's only ever been on the shotgun, and of course he's a gun at skate parks and a local pump track, but this is his first time actually on the trails. How you going, buddy?
I just want to go down.
Okay, go slow, that's all good. You good?
Mommy, Mommy,
Yeah? What do you want to do?
hop up.
And this is just the end of the first green run. Nice. Go as fast as you like, or as slow as you like. Whoa, which for me is never been good at berms. That's alright, it's about getting out and having fun. And then down there is where the car parking is.
You got a bag full of goodies for you?
Awesome.
Whoa!
Whoa. There we go.
Mom, I want to do that one for 2 times, okay?
I was going to do the one over that side.
Oh,
No?
yeah.
I reckon we should just do that one again. It's just nice to be out though, isn't it?
I need that to do this.
Put it in boost. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, I tell you what, that makes such a difference, doesn't it? When we've got it in
Can I go
boost.
down that one?
Wowee.
Did play Daisy.
Oh, Daddy.
Pretty good, just cruised down it because it's first time. At the top there's some steep rooty sections under the trees which were a bit tricky, and then some of the jumps are pretty steep and pretty big, but overall it was good fun. It was fast. It's a very fast trail. I think all the trails here are fast. So. Alright, should we go and get the tow rope? Hello. Do you want to come for a ride too?
Yeah.
Okay. Should we go and get the seat? Let's go and get the seat. Come on.
For our next adventures, please consider subscribing to our channel, and we'll catch you next time.